Acquisition can be exciting, new opportunities, new markets. But when two distinct company cultures collide, it can also create tension. The question is, how do you bridge the gap and unite two organizations under a shared vision? Hi, I'm Andrew Lamb. Today we're talking about merging mission statements and aligning visions and values after an acquisition. Successfully blending two corporate cultures isn't easy, but it's absolutely critical for long-term success. Let's explore some actionable steps to take to ensure both teams feel aligned and engaged. Start with a cultural audit. Every company has its own set of values, beliefs, and ways of working. By understanding the commonalities and the differences between the two organizations, you can create a foundation for the integration process. A cultural audit isn't about changing everything. It's about identifying and building on what works well in both companies. When you find shared values, you can use them to unify both sides. Next, create a cross-company task force. This group should include people from both companies who understand the inner workings of each culture. They oversee cultural integration and ensure both voices are heard. This isn't just a top-down effort. You need employees at all levels engaged in the process to create a sense of ownership. When people feel that they've had their say in the new direction, they're more likely to buy into the new culture. Finally, workshops should be used to communicate the newly merged mission to both companies. This is your opportunity to bring everyone together and ensure they understand the what and the why behind the new vision. Workshops are a great way to break down barriers and to get everyone on the same page. It's not enough to tell people the new mission. You must ensure they understand how they fit into it and why it matters. When done right, merging two corporate cultures can lead to stronger teams, more engaged employees, and a shared purpose that drives the organization forward. So how are you bridging the gap between two cultures? Start with a cultural audit, build a task force, and use workshops to communicate the mission. You can bring everyone together under a shared vision for the success with these proper steps.